Yeah, so back to the session. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, sir. Online team, can you hear me? Yeah, so let me prepare a running notes. Forty-three. So data selection by using LOC and ILOC. Data selection. 1 minute. 01 February. All right. Can I change this? This is the running topic. Yeah, we are on the track actually. Let's take this one. Yeah. So let us start. So the very first one is what we need to understand, we need to create a data frame. We need to create what exactly, sir? Data frame. How we can create a data frame? By loading, tell me, sir, by loading CSV file or else JSON file, any file actually. Am I right? When I say data frame having mainly three things, man. What is the first one? Columns. What is the first one? Next one is index. Next one is data. Next one is what exactly? If somebody is saying, if somebody is talking about the data frame, keep in mind that three things you need to remember. Only three things. The first one, every data frame having columns. If the data, I'm sorry, if the data frame having the data, then every data frame having columns, index, data. So how to rename, how to change, we have seen. By what exactly? Rename method. By what exactly? Good. How to change this one also? How to change or customize? These are all things we have seen. And by using what exactly? Rename method. Now, conclusion of this story. Today, can we load the data in a different ways actually? Okay. Can we load chunk of the data? What is that one, sir? Chunk of the data. What do you mean by chunk? Chunk means small piece of the data, a slice of the data. I do have 100 values. Out of 100 value, can I take a 10 value? Yes, you can take it out. Can I take a 2 values? Can I take a 50 values? This is called as a subset from the main set actually. This is what exactly? Subset from main set, right? Today, we do have a data frame. When I'm talking about the data frame having what exactly? Data. We can select, yeah, good. How to select the data? How to select what exactly, sir? Data from data frame. Data from what exactly? Data frame. It's a very simple, sir. The first one is we can select single column. We can select what exactly? We know that one syntax very well, and I will recall one more time. Next one will be we can still select. We can select, tell me, group of columns. Group of what exactly? Am I right or not? Come on, talk with me. First one is we can select single column. We can select group of columns. Good. If you select single column, it returns series or serial? Series. If you select a multiple columns, it returns New data frame. Can I say new data frame? Can I say what exactly, sir? New data frame actually. Keep in mind that. Yeah. Now third one is we can select. Yeah. We can still select by using LOC and ILOC. By using LOC and what exactly, sir? ILOC. Let us try to understand. Let us what exactly? Try to understand. Online team. Somebody is starting webcam actually. It is fine if you start. If you wanted to start, you can start, sir. Even I wanted to see you, but ensure that it is in a proper way actually. Okay, come on. Let me see who are all starting. Online team, there is a small glitch here. We are able to see video for every few of seconds. Let me also start, sir, please. Good. Let us play the game. Why you only? Good. Let us start. Yeah, let us fine. Now, I hope you already know what is the topic. Selecting the data from the data frame by using LOC and ILOC. Good. So let me explain very quickly. I'm sure till I still remember accessing customer name. The two Tarun or Varun? Viru, I guess. Viru data we selected. Am I right? Till that I covered. But anyway, let me give a small recap very quickly. First of all, let me jump into that level where exactly I have covered. Till here I covered. Am I right? Go back, go back, go back. Till here I covered. Am I right? Sir, just let me spend 5 minutes. I will give a recap for the all demo 6 example. I need your help, sir. Without your support, it is not possible actually. Are you ready to help? Come on, let me do that one. First of all, what is the data set name? Sales1.cs. Very good. Let us just have to create a folder. Let me close this. Now, pull the file. Get the file. What is the file name? Sales1.csv. Now, where is the sales1.csv? Capture that and you can store here. Now, we need to write an example. Come on, tell me how to write an example. I hope you know. Good. So the first one is import pandas as PD. Df equals to PD dot read underscore CSV sales one dot CSV. Then we got it. What exactly? Data frame. Good. Now just try to come here. Demo one dot py and go to programs. Go to desktop. Go to programs. Very good. Now let me run this example very quickly. All right. Perfect. Online team, can you hear me? Let me enough actually. Otherwise, దిష్టి తగులుద్ది అంటారు కదా. Enough. Yeah, let's move on. Good. Yeah, successfully we are loading the data frame. Now the point will be, I wanted to print only name of the column, sir. I wanted to print total rows and columns. How to print? Shape, very good. I only answered. Then I just wanted to print all name of the columns. How to print? Columns, very good. I wanted to print first top 5 rows. How to print? Nice, man. You guys know seems to be almost everything actually. Very good. This is something like a place call. Once in your hand data frame you have to apply all these operations. That is really interesting. Whenever you are calling the method, indirectly you are getting the information. You are understanding about the data frame. Get ready. Best example. First today you came to Amirpet. Which location? First today you don't know anything actually. This is something like a first today I have given data frame. When you will understand about Amirpet, you have to roam actually. Where tea stall is available, where Satyam theatre is available, where Naresh Shetty is available. Am I right or not, sir? Here also, once I have given the data frame, how many rows would you have? How many columns would you have? What are all name of the columns? How many missing values? These are all understanding about the data frame. Are you getting, sir? Good. Now, I just wanted to access only this column name. We can access. I just wanted to access what exactly? Only this column name. How to access, it's a very simple. Just try to come here. Df of, and in between double quotes or single quote, like this we can provide. What you can provide, customer name we need to provide. Very good. Now just try to see. Seems to be From the data frame, we are accessing single column. We are accessing what exactly? I already covered this one. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Hello, Daniel. From the data frame, can I access these two columns? Can I? Yeah, we can access. Can I access this column and this column actually? Sir, no limitation. Whenever you are accessing, if name of the column is available, whenever you are accessing, if name of the column is available, I mean to say that what you are accessing, it should be available in where exactly? Inside data frame. If it is not available, now just try to see, you will get an error. What is that error name? Key error. Keep in mind that first point, capture the data frame. Yes, I'm printing the data frame. Very good. The next one, from this data frame, I just wanted to access single column. I just wanted to access what exactly? Single column. You can access. Oh, from this I wanted to access it two columns. Can I access actually? Sir, very simple, sir. Come here. You can create a small, columns actually. COLS, a kind of some variable, also called as object actually. List of in between double quote, in between double quote. Here first to column one, and here first what exactly? Column two. Now replace this column one with customer name. Replace this column two with product. Good. Product actually. Now here what I need to specify? COLS, something like a COLS actually. Now let's execute the example. I'm sure you will understand very clearly. Now look at see. I hope you understand very clearly. From main data frame, we are accessing single column. We are accessing two columns. We can do anything actually. Any questions? I hope you're getting. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Let's move to the discussion very quickly. Good, 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 good. Come on, come on. Here onwards, more interesting. Please focus. Now, let it just try to go back and print the data frame. Yeah, this is the data frame. Am I right? Good. Now, can somebody help me? Where is the running notes? When I'm printing the data frame, what is the shape, sir? Do let me know. 600 into 600 rows. Yeah, when I say the data frame, rows how many? Rows how many? 600. Okay. I would like to say data. I would like to say what exactly? Data. Hold on. Data. Next one is columns. Next one is what exactly? Columns actually. When I say columns, how many columns? 4 columns. It is okay. Good. Now, you need to understand total 600 transactions. Total how many? Total 600 transactions. I mean to say that we don't know how many customers would we have, but I can give a guarantee. It can be 10 customers, 20 customers, 30 customers, but all customers bought the products on an average, assuming that this is the Monday transactions actually. On Monday, total, what is the business actually? 600 transactions you need to understand. Yes, are you getting? Yeah, good. Out of the 600 transaction, right, we do have a group of customers. We do have what exactly? Group of customers. Out of group of customers, can I check only Varun or Tarun, sir? Viru actually, am I right? Viru, let us just try to, yeah, Viru records and Tarun records we'll see actually. Now just try to come here. Can we access, can we access only Viru records actually? Talk with me. Can we access? We can access. Same thing like that. Can we access Tarun records also? Can we access what exactly? Tarun. Instead of Viru, what records actually? Tarun. Sir, no limitation. I'm repeating again. We can access any records actually. Let me show you how to access. From this data frame, if you wanted to access Viru records, what is the first point you need to do? Yeah, come here. First, the very first step is print the data frame. And inside this data frame, where Viru is available actually? Inside customer name. Come here, come here. Let us just try to explain one by one. Print of df of customer name. What is that one, sir? Customer name. Am I right? Now just try to come here. Capture this name of the customer name exactly. Otherwise, you will get a. Otherwise, you will get. Very good. Now we are accessing single column. We are accessing what exactly? But this is not my requirement. What I wanted is, I wanted to capture only all Viru records. I wanted to capture what exactly? all Viru records. Can we capture? We can capture. How to capture? Just try to provide double quote. I mean, double quotes actually. Here you need to provide. It's a kind of, we are creating a condition. We are creating what exactly? Sir, this is super. Seriously, very good actually. This is very big object. Over that one, we are simply checking, hey, where are all Viru is available? Let us pull those records actually. Then, whenever you're trying to accessing this one, but let me tell you, double equal operator is called as a relational operator. What operator? Relational operator always returns Boolean value. Relational operators always return what exactly? Boolean. Let us look at my screen actually. But who need this Boolean value, sir? I need a result actually. I need what exactly? Result. Can we get it? Very simple. How to get it? There are two ways. DF of like this you can access. DF what exactly? Like this you can access. Just try to check it out. Wow, seriously, Superman. This is the one way. This is the one way. And the alternative way is take the same code, come here, take this one, control X, create one small variable, condition one. What is a variable name actually? Condition one. And here what we need to apply? Condition one. Did you understand? Come on, sir. Did you understand? Very good. Now come here. Now just try to see. Wow, seriously, very good. Seriously, very good. Now you need to understand. It is returning one data frame. It is returning what exactly? One data frame. Now you have to understand Viru. What is the first product he bought? Ultrawide monitor. Second product, wide headphones. Third product, wide. You don't ask why two times. Maybe for his brothers and sisters, sir. Why that information for you actually? Did you understand? Good. What is the last one? Charging cable. Conclusion of the story. I wanted to know how many times he bought actually. How to get it? Very good, sir. How to get it? Length. Now just try to come here. Now you will understand Viru how many times he done transaction, 29 times actually. Now come here. First of all, DF, total transactions. Total what exactly? Transactions. How many? Very good. Somebody already replied actually. Total 600. Out of 600, what are all Viru transactions, Any idea? Yeah, like this you need to compare actually. Very good. This is the one business insight actually. 29. Very good. Same thing like that. Can I access Tarun transactions actually? So talk with me, sir. Yeah. Instead of Viru, what I need to provide? Come here. You can go back and where is a Tarun? Let us check my luck actually. Spelling. One important point I need to cover here actually. Okay, 20. How many records you bought it actually? 20. Now, if you want, you can print all Tarun records actually. Tarun done 20 transactions, sir. How many transactions actually? 20 transactions. Did you understand? Very good actually. Now just try to come to know. Now, yeah, get ready. I have one question. What is my question? Can I say this is the total Tarun data frame? What data frame? Tarun data frame. I wanted to know total how many products he bought it actually. Super, sir. What is the result? Sum. What we need to do? Sum. Now, what we can do, come here and here you can assign TDF. What do you mean by TDF actually? Do you think T means Taj Mahal T actually? Yeah, Tarun data frame. What data frame? Now print of, yeah, T dot DF. What I can do? Quantity dot sum. Am I right or not, sir? Yeah, first of all, just try to see. You indirectly are accessing all Tarun quantity transaction. Now you can apply what exactly? Like this. It's called as a chaining operation. Super, sir. Total how many transactions he done? 25 transactions he done actually. Very good. Did you understand? Good. Like this you need to practice. Okay. But once you done practice, then only you will understand all these examples step by step. Now let us enter into actual session actually. This is the way. Now I have a question, get ready. I have a question, get ready. What is my question will be? Sorry. Important point. What is this one? Do let me know. Tarun, first of all, let me print the DF. Whenever you are printing the DF, can I say this that assuming the total Monday transactions actually? Am I right? Good. I wanted to capture only Tarun records. Then you need to create a condition, and here we need to provide what exactly? CYN1. Am I right? Yeah, we are getting. Sir, look at my screen. Important point I'm covering. Unfortunately, if the condition is not matching, Unfortunately, Python is case sensitive. Python is what exactly? Case sensitive. Unfortunately, if condition is not matching, any guessing? What is the result? Come again. Very good. Name error. Come on. Any other guessing? Key error, name error. Very good. What about others actually? Yeah, Divya, key error. Well error. Very good. It's a right time I need to reveal the answer actually. Otherwise, I may get some thousand answers or else thousand stones actually. Good. Let me run this one. What is the result? Almost 99% your answer is valid, sir. Look at my screen. Sir, if condition is not matching, we are getting empty data frame. We are getting what exactly? Because the Tarun, very good. We have to do trial and error actually. Best example, it means to say that, boss, you are trying to cross checking Tarun. First of all, Python is case sensitive. If you created any library with the Python, that library also will follow the same pattern actually. Seems to be, let us take this one. Do you think, read that name actually? Can you read? Highly impossible. Do you think that name is available? Now we are indirectly checking, hey, is that customer is available? Pandas is calling like anything. What is the data frame actually? Empty data frame. Means to say that that customer is not available. Conclusion of the story. Whenever it is trying to getting the result, if condition is matching, then only we are getting result. If condition is matching, then only we are getting result. Otherwise, it is written what exactly? Empty data frame. Are you with me? Good. But no error. That point you need to understand. Hmm. Come here. Control Z. Wanted to cover one more point actually. What is that point? Now just try to come to the discussion. Get ready. Get ready, sir. Let me just try to print the data frame. I hope you understand this one. Let me print the data frame. Sir, I need a response from any one of you. I wanted to print all iPhone 11, sir. I wanted to print all iPhone 11 records actually. Come on, you guide me actually. Now come here, create a condition. Condition 1 equals to, tell me, df of, here what I need to provide? Yeah, very good. And here in between double quotes I need to provide. Here what I need to provide? Product. Very good. Here I need to provide product. Here what I need to provide? Very good, sir. Like this. If I explain one example, with your own practice, you have to do these many other examples actually. Why? Now what you need to provide? Apply the condition CON 1. CON 1 means creating a condition. Creating what exactly? Now check it out. Very good. These are all iPhone 11s sold out actually. These are all iPhone 7 11s sold out actually. Are you getting your one? Good. Yeah. Now here, instead of iPhone, can I provide Viru actually? That point you need to understand. Okay, hold on. First of all, let us take this example and keep it out here actually. Yeah, good. Now just try to come here. Instead of iPhone, let us have a small, discussion actually. Can I provide Viru? Okay. No and yes actually. If it is no, why no? Tell me. Very good. Conclusion of the story. Are boss, Viru is a customer name. Viru is not a mobile brand actually. Viru is not what exactly? Mobile. There is no brand. If you want, you can create your own brand actually. But as of now, product means these are all name of the product like a monitor, Samsung, iPhone, MacBook Pro. These are all things actually. Did you understand? Now you do let me know. If I'm running this example, what is output actually? Nice man. What is output? You connected actually. Very nice. Nice. Let me drink water. Online team, are you following, sir? Can I get a response? Are you following everyone? Sriram sir, Sheila, Srinidhi. I mean, good. Let's move on very quickly. Let's capture this one too. That condition should be matched, sir. Now, move on to the next one. I'm sure I explained this one. Even this one I have explained actually. What exactly we are doing? I wanted to know MacBook Pro laptop. How many times sold out actually like this? Am I right? Sir, now let's move on. Let's move on. What exactly we done, select the data, select the data from data frame, from what exactly data frame, by using below ways, by using what exactly below ways actually. First one is, we can select single column, we can select what exactly, talk with me, select single column. Next one, multiple, select multiple, multiple columns, multiple columns also we can do, multiple columns also we can do, am I right? Third one will be by using condition also, by using what exactly, am I right or not, sir? I mean to say that df of something like, here you can provide what exactly, condition, am I right? Right, good. Now the fourth one, by using what exactly, by using LOC and ILOC also. These are all different ways would you have actually. Keep in mind that by using what exactly, condition, by using what exactly, sir, this is also called as a filtering the data. This also called as what exactly, means whenever you are applying the condition, that is also called as a, you are applying filtering, you are applying what exactly. Are you getting your own? Best example, admin came and admin asking who are all males stand actually, then he is applying the filter, he is applying what exactly, who are all females stand actually. Whenever I used to go for sweet shop actually, I can apply filter automatic. On daily base we're applying filter, sir. Filter means condition. Whenever you are going for a tea shop, either can I have a tea or coffee or lemon tea, you're applying filter. I used to have a lemon tea very very regularly actually, then I applied filter. There are different brands, I'm selecting only one brand, that is nothing but what exactly, filter. Seems to be filter word you never forget actually, am I right? That many times I'm repeating, not required. Good. Now, ah single column I explain, multiple columns I explain, by using condition also called as a filtering, df of what exactly, condition one. Now let us enter into that. Now actual topic I'm entering actually. What is actual topic, understanding about LOC and ILOC. What is the topic, sir? Understanding about LOC and ILOC. First keep in mind that LOC means location. LOC means what exactly, location actually. Good. Now let me tell you, sir, please focus on this one. Assuming that we are selecting the data by using what exactly, single column. Good. Selecting the data by using what exactly, single column. Sir, assuming that the single column result will be result 1, result will be what exactly, result 1. Sir, same result we can get by using LOC also. Here also no doubt at all, same result, result is what exactly, result 1 only. Look at my screen. We can select a single column, we are getting the result will be what exactly, result 1. We are getting the output is what exactly, result 1. Same output we can still get, same output we can still get by using what exactly, LOC. By using LOC ILOC we can get it. But what is the difference, you need to understand, sir. You know what, it takes lot of time, it takes what exactly, it takes lot of time. I would like to say, let us talk about the 2 minutes output actually. How long time it is taking? Arey man, it takes just a matter of 1 second actually. What is the time actually? 1 second it takes. Seriously super. Means LOC and ILOC you have to understand very well actually. In terms of the performance in real time, we are using LOC and ILOC only. Did you understand? Best example, sir. There is a father. He has a two sons actually. He has what exactly? Two sons. And a task is given to the same task given to first son and same task given to second son. And finally the father is validating actually, both are done the task, but who done quickly, that really matters, am I right or not? Now here also, who done quickly, do let me know. LOC means in real time. Why? Because we are playing with the big data, crores of records, millions of records, 100 GB data, 1000 GB data, 100 petabytes of the data, then definitely performance matters. What matters actually? Performance matters. That's what we are going for, LOC and ILOC. Now I am starting the discussion. Did you understand till now? Can I continue? Good, sir. Let's move on. First of all, I would like to give a small introduction. I would like to say quick introduction about LOC and ILOC. LOC and what exactly? ILOC. Let us move on. Good. Pavan, it's invalid actually, but still I will explain. During filtering concept, I will explain actually. Okay. All right. Sir, first of all, LOC and LOC and ILOC having very special name. What exactly? Special name actually. What is that special name? I'm revealing. Get ready to understand. LOC and ILOC having special name. What is that special name? Let me reveal you actually. Come on. Let us create a small basic example. Let us create a small basic example. What is example? Come on, come on. You have to talk with me. Let us take a values 10, 20, 30, 40. Print of values. Now execute this example and we can run this example. What is output, sir? What is output actually? List actually. Now I will ask a question. If you didn't reply, we can open that window and I can jump actually. Tell me. I wanted to access only 10, sir. Very good. Do let me know. Value of what exactly? 0. Very good. Value of what exactly? 0. Now we are accessing what exactly? This one. Same time, I just wanted to access 20 value. What value? 20 value. What I can access actually? Yeah, good. Now, please hold on. Yeah, what is the first result actually? Can I say list actually? Can I say single value? Single value? Good. Sir, now take this one. Now it is having special name. I would like to say this is called as a list to data structure. This is called as what exactly? List data structure. Second one will be, sir, this is having the special name. What is the name? List indexer. What is that one? Indexer. We have to pronounce like that actually. If you're trying to accessing the data by using indexing, by using what exactly? Indexing. That is called as a indexer. That is called as what exactly? Indexer. Keep in mind that. And this one also list indexer. This one also what exactly? List indexer. Now let me reveal you the secret actually. LOC and ILOC also called as indexers. Also called as what exactly? Did you understand everyone? If I say LOC, immediately you can remember one more name, indexer. If I say ILOC, you can remember also called as what exactly? Did you understand? Good. Basic fundamentals. You should be strong here actually. All right. Yeah, this is the topic actually. We can select the data from data frame by using LOC and ILOC. ILOC and LOC. LOC and ILOC also called as a indexes in a data frame. By using these indexers, we can get rows, columns, and slice of the data frame. Good. What I'm trying to explain is we can select columns from the data frame by using LOC and ILOC. I already told the same point actually. Team memory. Next point. LOC and ILOC also called as a indexers. By using this, by using these indexers, we can read first one, rows you can read, next one, columns you can read from the data frame, and slice of data frame also. So slice of what exactly? Data frame also. Sir, look at my screen. First time in your training actually, in your training, what I'm trying, I'm skipping the theory. Look at my screen. Skipping the theory actually. Theory. Jumping into the example directly. Jump into example directly. Hold on. Directly actually. It's really required. Why? Because I'm sure if I read the theory regarding LOC and ILOC, you cannot understand anything. Let me explain the example. If you understand the example, theory you yourself can write actually. Did you understand? Now what I'm trying to do, first time, let me skip the theory, jump into what exactly? Exam. Sir, you can enjoy actually. Very easy, you can enjoy. Are you ready? Yeah, come on. Now, as of now, hold tightly, hold the theory sometime. Hold what exactly, sir? Theory sometime. Sometime actually. Sometime let us just try to park the theory in Amirpet location. What location, sir? Amirpet location. Later we'll come here and we'll unpark actually. Ready, very good. Now, these are all theory actually. You can ignore the discussion. Theory. You can ignore actually. You can ignore. You can ignore. Yeah, now get ready. Sir, definitely, if you wanted to apply some operation, first to data frame is required. What is required? Data frame is required. Still now you have played with the many files. What all files we have played actually? Any idea? Sales1.csv, sales31. Next one, fruits1 actually. Very good. I'm introducing one more file. What is the file? Did I cover this file? Good. You have to remind me. End of this session, I need to upload this file also. Am I right? Tim, seriously I'm asking. Are you getting everyone? Good. Any issues? No. Come on. Let's move on. If any issue, do let me know, sir, please. Now import pandas as PD. Df equals to PD dot read underscore CSV. What is the file name? Sales 2.csv, right? Now let us just try to print what exactly? DF, right? Sir, in your career, remember one thing: if you are having the data or else data frame, first apply some basic operation over the data. First apply some basic operation over the data frame. Actually, if I run this example, what is output? Nice, sir. Super. Actually, let me give a nice marks for you. File not found error. Go there and pull the file. Where is the file? Sales 2. Copy this one. Now paste here. Yeah, very good. Interesting. How many rows and how many columns? Sir, tell me, sir. 900. 5 columns, right? Read the first column. Order ID, customer name, customer ID, product name, product. Hold on. Order ID, previously we know. Customer name, previously we know. What is the new column came? Customer ID. I mean, who are all having the name as a Partha? What is his ID actually? It should be unique. Where are all Partha is available? What is his ID? I mapped like previously one student asked one question. What is the question? Array Daniel, how you created these files? Generally, what is the previous file actually? 600 rows. What is this file actually? Do let me know. 900 rows. And one more file I will introduce you. That file having the 3 lakhs rows actually. How many rows? 3 lakhs rows. One student, which is interesting question. He asked me, stop the session. I have one question. What is his question, sir? I asked actually. How you written this file? Sir, do you think early morning I wake up at 4 p.m. actually? I open a notepad. I started writing all these things actually. No, 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 no. Let me reveal the secret. I have written one Python program. I have written what exactly? One Python program. I'm very good in Python, sir. Frankly speaking, I'm master in Python. I should not say about myself. I'm not boasting. First of all, you give me any requirement, I'm sure I can implement in Python. When I was before entering into the teaching, I do have a data frame in my mind actually. Now it's a right time. I need to give easy files for you. I can still download the files from internet actually. Am I right? But instead of downloading, let us create our own file with our own names actually. I have written a simple Python program which is having 8 to 9 lines of the code actually. Whenever you are running that program, it will ask, tell me how many rows you want, how many columns you want actually. When I entered 600 rows, 3 columns, it will create CSV file fraction of 2 to 3 seconds actual. That's a beautiful. Are you guys getting or not, sir? Anyway, you can ignore the discussion. That is not required for you. Tell me what is the last column name? Product cost actually. Good. I just wanted to access all rows and columns, sir. How to access actually? Shape. Very good. Yeah. What is output? One more time. Last time. I just wanted to print all name of the columns. Columns. Very good. Previously, one student tried to access rows actually. What is that one? Sir, do you have that attribute? I will cry, please. Don't make me to cry actually. What is the error name? Attribute actually. Next one, head method. Am I right? What is the head method purpose? Yeah, next one. Do you think leg piece is available, sir? Leg piece method is available? No, 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 please. This method is not available. What is the error? Attribute. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now let's move. This is a kind of, once you get the data frame, apply some operation so that you will understand regarding the data set. Let's move to the next discussion. What is the next discussion? Selecting a single column. Selecting what exactly? Single column. Hold on. Selecting single column. Come here. First of all, selecting single column, I hope we already know one syntax actually. We already know one syntax. Am I right? Let us apply that syntax. Later, I will explain about how to use LOC. How to use what exactly? Did you understand? Tell me how to select a single column, sir. I hope you already know. I wanted to access only, I wanted to access only product name. How to access? DF of, very good. DF of what exactly? Product name. Very good. Like this we can access. Like this, what exactly we can access. Am I right? Good. Hold on. Take this example. And you can just try to come here. Accessing single column. Accessing what exactly? Single column. Move to the next one. We can select single or multiple rows single or what exactly? Multiple rows and columns by using ILOC indexer. By using what indexer? Hold on. What is the first topic? Hold on. The first topic is a ILOC indexer. What is the first topic? ILOC indexer. Let us keep that one heading actually. First one, let us understand ILOC indexer. Later, I will explain about LOC indexer. Focus, please. Good. Yeah. Selecting single. If we select one row or one column, then it returns what exactly? Sir, simple, sir. Whenever you are selecting a single column, single row, always it will be mapped with what exactly? Series. Keep in mind that important. This syntax, please understand, such a nice, interesting actually. What is the syntax? I'm sure till now everyone knows. Am I right? Till now everyone knows. Df dot what is df dot? You are using notation means this is an object. By using that object, you're trying to extracting one attribute actually. Frankly speaking, I would like to say this is attribute. This attribute is returning group of values again backend, which is having the index syntax. What syntax actually? Yeah. Hey, df1 dot ILOC of 0. ILOC of what exactly? It means to say that, first of all, let me print the data frame. Sir, please compare, understand, manipulate the data frame, do some R&D actually. Very good. Let's do one thing. Dot ILOC dot what exactly? ILOC and kind of some index notation. Kind of what notation? Let me provide here is a 0. Sir, let me tell you important. If you are using I to access the data frame, here you should provide index. Simple. The notation is very simple. If you are using I for the LOC to access the data frame data, then here what we need to provide, index actually. I'm repeating again. Take this one, simple man. This I means nothing but index value. What value? Index value. Go back and see the data frame. Where 0 is available? Can I say, man, what is the index actually? 0. Am I right? What is the single row value? Tell me, what is the first one? 192 dot. See, hold on. Previously, I explained how to access this single column, how to access this single column, how to access these two columns. I explained like that. Am I right or not, sir? If you guys are not understanding, come on, look at my screen very clearly. Previously, I explained how to access single column and how to access two columns. But I didn't explain how to access a row. How to access what exactly? I mean to say that, Harry Daniel, I just wanted to access this row. Can I access actually? We can access, man. By using ILOC. By using what exactly? ILOC. Hey, Daniel, can I access this row actually? You can access, sir. By using what exactly? ILOC. Good. Now let me try to provide ILOC of 0. ILOC of what exactly? Let me show you. Come on. Now just try to come here. Are you ready? Can I hit enter button? Are you ready? Yeah. Now just try to see. Wow. Seriously super, sir. Whenever you are trying to accessing ILOC of 0, first of all, it is returning series. It is returning what exactly? All name of the columns became something like a index. What is the first name of the column? Order ID became like a index. What is the last name of the column? Product cost became like a index. Okay. Order ID. Can I say this is the column value? Yeah. What is this value, sir? Do let me know. Can I say ending with 37? Very good. What is the name actually? Partha. What is the last one actually? 59,000. Did you understand? Seriously super. It's a very simple, right? If you want to can access, this is called as a indexing syntax. First to syntax, please focus. I would like to say syntax number one. Syntax number one, please focus. What exactly we are doing? Df dot ILOC of, here we are providing single value. What we are providing? I mean to say that df dot ILOC of, tell me, talk with me, 0. Can I provide one more thing? Df dot ILOC of 1, can I provide? Come on, come on, come on. These are all stuff actually. Come here and here what I can provide actually? 1. Now just try to access. Very good. You're accessing actually. Let me print the data frame once. Yeah. Let me just try to access like this actually. What is a, whose record, sir? Can I say when I record actually? Sir, talk with me. Can I say when I record? Yeah. Let us just try to run this. Now I have a question. Get ready. Can I provide here? Can I provide? Can I provide? Why? Yeah, seems to be that index is not available, right? Seems to be same error. Conclusion of the story, what are all you learn in Python, same fundamental will be carry forward. Same fundamental will be what exactly? You should not forget about those things actually. Keep in mind that, right? Now, just try to come here. I'm sure you understand these are all example, pretty sure. Okay. We will get a error. What is that error, sir? Index error. Index what exactly? Error. Very good. Now let's move to the next one. Mm. First one. Next one. Selecting second row. Do I need to explain? Come on, sir. It is a bread for you actually. Wow. What do you mean by minus one actually? Last one. Sir, same syntax we have seen somewhere actually. Where we have seen any idea? Huh? Okay. Can I say in Python we have seen actually? Hmm? Yeah, py values equals to, can I say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50? Values of 0. Tell me. Talk with me. 10, 1, 999. Very good. Values of minus 1. What is the result? Exactly. The same syntax here also you can apply. That's what. Always compare with the Python, man. Always. I'm repeating again. Python is very, very important, sir. Python is very, very important. If you are very good in Python, data science is a very easy. Many people will not compare with the Python, but nothing is there. In a data science, you need to write a program. That program we have to use Python. We have to use what exactly? Man, let me tell you one small stuff actually. When I'm talking about the data science, we are playing with what exactly? Pandas. Pandas. Then Python program. What program? Tomorrow we are going to playing with NumPy. What is the program? Python program. Tomorrow we are going to playing with the data visualization. That is nothing but what exactly? Python program. Next one is a machine learning. What is that one? Python program. Next one is a deep learning. What is that one actually? Python. Conclusion of the story. What you understand actually? Wherever you go, one programming language will follow you. What is that one? Python. Very, very important. Do you think Python is a snake actually? Sir, programming language. What is this one? Programming language actually. Keep in mind that. So I would like to say our hero name. Our hero actually. Python is our hero for this movie. Okay. Let's move on. Dinesh, you're right. You're right. Let's move on. Now, actual cinema will start now here onwards, sir. Yeah, I'm sure I have covered this one. df.ilvoc of revision. 0 I covered actually. Talk with me. df.ilvoc of 1 we covered. Next one is df dot what exactly? ilvoc of minus 1. Come on. These are all very simple syntax for us. Good. Let's move to the next one. It's more fun actually. Whenever you are learning, it is more fun. Move on to the next discussion. Wow, important. Sir, damn sure important interview question. What is important? Important interview question. Interview question. Interview question. What is the question, you know? Question. What is the question is? Access, these are all things. I would like to say valid. Valid. Come on, come on. Next one is what exactly, you know? Valid. Hey, Daniel, df.ilvoc of, sir, keep in mind that if I mean, what is this one? Do let me know. Index based location. This is called as a indexed based location. Instead of index value, Are Daniel, can I give something like a column name actually? Can I give something like what exactly? Sir, no, sir. Invalid actually. No, what exactly? Invalid. Conclusion of the story. ILOC accept only integer. Accept only what exactly? Unfortunately, instead of integer, if you are giving some string value, if you are giving some what value? String value, you will get an error. Damn sure interview question actually. Keep in mind that. If you want, let me apply in front of you actually. Now just try to come here. You can just try to apply here actually. That's what. Understand the example. Theory you can understand actually. Guys, am I right or not? Come on. Print off. Do you want, can I print the data frame? Let me print the data frame. Yeah, df of 0. Oh, sorry, man. Oh, come on, come on. Dot ILOC. Here is a 0. We already covered. 1 we covered. -1 we covered actually. Instead of that one, what I need to provide? Let us take a name of the column. Let us take what exactly? Name of the column. Now just try to come here. Yeah. What is that one? Type error. Read the error. Description. Cannot index by location index with a non-integer key. I understand you didn't understand this one, but listen carefully. Sir, yeah. ILOC, you have to provide only integer value. What value? String you should not provide. A kind of some column name you should not provide actually. Are you getting? Good. Come on. Take this example. Damn sure interview question. Yeah, tell me, sir. Very good. Then you can go for LOC actually. Nice question, right? So very good question. What is the question? Your name? Prashant. What Prashant is asking, Hurry, Daniel. First of all, ILOC of 0 valid, ILOC of 1 is valid, ILOC of -1 is valid. Though here the index is a integer. Index is what exactly? Integer. Hold on. Index can be customized. Instead of 0, I can take ABC. Instead of 1, I can take DEF. During that time, you have to go for LOC. You have to go for what exactly? Seriously, nice question, sir. Very good question. By this time, I'm sure you understand these are all syntax actually. Am I right? 0, valid or invalid? Talk with me. Valid or invalid, sir? Valid. Next one, df dot ilvoc. Valid or invalid? -1. df dot ilvoc. Valid or invalid? Order ID. Valid or invalid, sir? Invalid actually. I would like to say, I'm sure. Let's move to the next example. First column of the data frame. Good, get ready. Now, first column of the data frame. First of all, column of the data frame. Hold on. More fun, sir. I'm sure you know very well. We already know one syntax. How to access a column. Am I right? How to access what exactly? First of all, let us apply. First, always we need to apply what we know. We need to apply what exactly? What we know. Later, we can learn the new things actually. Am I right or not? Good. Best example. Whenever you are going for exam, you got an exam paper actually. You got what exactly? First, what you will write actually? Sir, for me, I will write what I know actually. Am I right or not? What I don't know, I will not touch. When I will touch, at last, which movie you like actually, that movie we need to write. Am I right? Yeah, good. Now, what we know, do let me know. Now, just try to access this one. Get ready. I just wanted to access customer name. Can I access? Yeah. What is the syntax? You know already? df of this one. Good. Yes, successfully we got it actually. Take this one and you can just try to print here. You can just try to what exactly? Print here. Sir, now let us try to access. Let us what exactly? Try to access column by using ILOC. By using what syntax? ILOC. Are you with me? How we can access, look at my screen. Now this is called as a syntax number 2. Sir, first of all, understanding about with experience I'm telling LOC and ILOC means focus on syntax. Focus on what exactly? Focus on syntax. Very important actually. First to syntax number 1. What syntax I covered? df dot ILOC of here we are providing single value. What value? Single value. Now second syntax I'm trying to explaining. What I'm explaining actually? Second syntax I'm trying to explaining. Get ready to understand. Syntax number 2. Syntax number 2 actually. Are you ready? Good. Sir, when it comes to syntax number 2, what is the syntax number 2? df of ILOC as usual. What exactly? ILOC as usual. Same thing like indexer actually. Get ready. Here, comma you need to provide. What you need to provide? Comma. Right. df dot ILOC of what we need to provide? Comma. Very good. For comma, definitely, what is this one? My favorite word actually. LHS would you have? RHS would you have? Am I right or not, sir? Come on. df dot ILOC of previously this syntax you understand very clearly. Now syntax number 2, df dot ILOC of index syntax we need to provide. Definitely if comma came, what came actually? Comma came. LHS side you need to provide something. RHS side you need to provide something. What is that something, LHS. What is the next one actually? RHS. Are you getting your one? Good, get ready. DF dot ILOC of, and here comma. What is there, sir? Comma. And what is here required actually? LHS. LHS value you need to provide rows position. What you need to provide? Rows. Sir, left hand side always talks about rows position. Come on, talk with me. Left hand side for the comma, left hand side always talks about rows position. Don't ask what is a row actually. We already have seen index 1, index 0, index 3. These are all rows selection actually. Right hand side, I hope you should answer this one. Tell me. That's it. What is the position? Column position. This syntax you need to understand first. First one, df dot ILOC of comma. What is this one? Comma. For this comma, LHS is required. Next one is RHS is required. What do you mean by LHS, sir? Yeah, RHS means? Yeah. For LHS, here you need to substitute rows position. What position? Rows position. Here you need to substitute column position. What position? Column position. Are you getting? Good. Let me explain the example so that you will understand. Yeah. One example, let me help you. DF dot ILOC of, get ready. What came actually? Comma came. Now here, sir, rows position, starting value, end value we need to take. Am I right? I'm not taking any starting value, any ending value. Here also I'm not taking any starting column value, any ending column. Indirectly it means to say that, array man, all rows, all columns. Talk with me. All rows, all columns. Complete data frame actually. Are you getting? Let me show you practically. Let me show you practically. Sir, this is more fun actually. Come on. Look at my screen. Don't ask where is the fun. Now run this example. Look at my screen. We are printing the data frame. Same thing like that. df of, hey, sorry man. Come on. Dot. Tell me, sir. ILOC. And in real time, people will call iloc also. What is that one? iloc. iloc also we can call, but I won't like that word actually. ILOC also you can call. Right, good. Now just try to come here. Now here you can provide comma. This is just for your better understanding. I'm writing. Here what we need to write, sir? Column actually. Now print the output actually. Wow, you got all data frame actually. Am I right or not? Good. Conclusion of the story. If you are printing DF, we are getting the total data frame. I mean to say that both output is the same. Both output is what exactly, sir? Same. Am I right or not, sir? But let me tell you frankly, ILOC performance is a super fast actual. Performance wise is super fast. I will show you the difference. You can print the time also. How long time it is taking actually. Are you getting? Now come here. Now just try to provide here actually. Get ready, sir. Get ready. Now let me explain one more example. This is the total data frame. Am I right? Hey Daniel, I wanted to print only order ID, single column. I need all values. Single column, I need what exactly, sir? Always. Listen carefully. First of all, I wanted to print what exactly? Column. If you wanted to print the column, which syntax I need to touch? This one or this one, sir? That you should touch. That you should understand actually. If I'm talking about the columns, you have to think always about this one actually. If I'm talking about the rows, you have to think always about RHS value. Am I right? If you're talking about the rows, you have to think always about LHS. Am I right or not? Keep in mind that. Right, good. If you wanted to access this order ID, now just try to come here, delete this one. You know what? What is this one actually? Do let me know. What is that one? You know what? Backend, though it is order ID, still order ID is mapping with 0. Order ID is mapping with what exactly? 0 actually. Now just try to come here, provide the 0. Provide what exactly, sir? 0. Are you getting your one? Now run this example. Just try to check it out. Yeah. Did you understand? Did you understand or not, sir? I hope you understand. Now take this example. I will explain. Hold on. Hold on. Conclusion of the story. Now I just wanted to hear from you. Accessing single column. Accessing what exactly? Single column. Two syntax we know as of now. What is the first one? df of. What is the name of the column actually? Do let me know. Order ID. Am I right? This we already know. This we already know. Next syntax just now I covered, sir. Next syntax just now I covered. Df dot ilog and here comma and here what exactly? Provide all these things and here what exactly? 0. Did you understand? But now let me reveal the secret. Sir, in real time, anything you can use. There is no restriction. Assuming that you have implemented this code, you bring to lead actually. Lead never, ultimately, client, company, manager, or lead need output man. Need what exactly? How you done, what you done doesn't matter at all, frankly speaking. Either your code is in a proper way or not, that doesn't matter actually. Later on, we can optimize the code. Keep in mind that to access a single column, we can use this syntax. You can use what exactly? This syntax. Can I tell you one small secret actually? You like first syntax very well, am I right? I also like the same syntax, sir. Are you getting your one? Keep in mind that, right? Now, I hope you understand. Let me talk with online team. All right. Now, I hope you understand one secret actually. What is the secret? Understand the syntax very well. What you need to understand actually? Syntax very well. What is the first syntax, sir? Tell me. Df dot ILOC of single value. What value? Can I say 0? Very good. Now syntax number 2. Syntax number 2. What is the syntax number 2? Df dot ILOC of and here comma and here what? LHS value. What value? LHS value. What is the next value? RHS value. And now df dot ILOC of and this is rows position. This is columns. Perfectly. I hope you understand, man. Can I get a response? Very good. Now I have one more question. Get ready. I have one more question. Get ready. Overall will respond. One. What is output? What is the next column name? What is the value? Am I right or not? Now just have to come here. Execute this example. Sir, that's what. If you understand one example, other example you can easily to understand like this actually. I'm sure, I hope you understand very clearly. Take this example. Perfectly all right. Let's move on with the syntax. Now, yeah. First column of the data frame. df2 equals to df1 dot ILOC comma. What is there actually? Arey man, this is just for your better understanding. I'm providing this much space actually. This much something like a garden. You can keep some gardening actually here. Am I right? But in real time, delete this space, and delete this space. Something like this actually. Yes, are you getting or not? Right. Now take this example. Keep this one. Move to the next one. Next example. Yeah, I'm sure we already know. Are you ready? Okay. Can I access last column name? How to? Very good, sir. Very good. You catch my point actually. Here provide what exactly? -1. Very good. Just try to see what is the last column value? Product cost actually. We are getting the same thing. Am I right? Good, good. Easy, sir. Very easy. Follow the syntax nicely. You should be strong in syntax actually to understand these are all topics. Let me stop. Thank you, sir. Please stop the recording. Thank you. Sorry. Srikan, sir. Game is not over actually. I will explain. Step by step, I will explain. Very good. Now come here. Yeah, what I need to provide here actually? This syntax we know very well. Am I right? Do you want to run this example? It's okay. Let me run. It is okay. It is okay. Print of df. Let us just try to provide small space. And here what exactly we are doing, And this one I just wanted to print in what exactly, sir? Print of df dot columns. Are you ready? First output, because of this one, we'll get a all rows and all columns. Am I right? Second output, because of this one, hold on. Because of this one, all rows and specified columns. Can I say that? Yeah, exactly. Now understand that one. That word is important. That word is important. Very good. What happens? Column ID, customer ID, key error, customer ID, man space you have provided. Oh, Seriously, it is very serious about the space actually. Do you know what happened just now? Python scolded me actually. What is the scolding name? Key error, right? Very good. So I hope you understand very clearly. Am I right? Yeah. Now, how you guys understand selecting a multiple rows and selecting a multiple columns actually? Now the same activity we are going to do by using what exactly? ILOC. We are going to do by using what exactly? ILOC actually. Good. Hold on. Selecting multiple rows and columns. Rows and what exactly? Rows and columns. We got this one very clearly. First one is df dot head method, and next one is what exactly? Df dot df of, can I say columns actually? Yeah. Now we done this one. Let us understand by using. Let us understand by using what exactly? No, by using. You talk with me. ILOC. Get ready. Get ready actually. Good. Here also, till now, how many syntaxes I covered actually? Two syntaxes. First one, df dot ILOC single value. df dot ILOC single value. Syntax number two, df dot ILOC, comma, what is required? Comma, for LHS required, RHS required. LHS means rows position, RHS means columns position. Sir, first time if you are hearing this, it is okay, you may feel some odd actually, but you have to memorize, you have to remember actually. When I was understanding first time also, my face expression will be, what is this, something like that actually. Am I right or not? I'm seeing few of your faces actually. I know I came from that position only. Am I right or not, sir? But you have to memorize the topic. No option in between. Whenever you are learning data science actually, suddenly your roommate came and you are telling, a man seems to be don't give advantage. Your friend is telling, seems to be today ILOC, I feel difficult actually. Then what your friend will tell, I already told you, right? Data science is difficult. I'm sorry for getting. Your friend may told, I already told you, right? Something like that. Am I right or not, sir? Sir, it takes another 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. I'm not trainer actually. Keep in mind that maybe another batch is going to start here actually. All right. Okay, let's move on. I heard today is a new batch actually. Same room, I guess. Okay, get ready, sir. Are you ready? I wanted to hear from you, sir. Come on. accessing multiple rows. Hey, follow my running notes very well, sir. Follow my running notes very well. I can give a guarantee. This is the one syntax. This is what exactly? One syntax. What is the limitation for this syntax? Head method always will bring first record actually. Head method always bring, either you want or you don't want, it doesn't matter. Head method accessing values always starts from first record. Are boss, I don't want first record also. Head method will never listen actually. It will give by default. Now, first top 5 records. Top what exactly? 5 records. Top 5 records. And next one, you are providing 10 actually. Top 10 records. Top what exactly? 10 records. Am I right? Now hold on, look at my screen. DF of, like this also you can provide. This is also called as a slicing. What is that one? Right. You know what? This is also called as what exactly? Top 5 records. Am I right or not, sir? Top 5 what exactly? Records. Now hold on. DF of 5 to 10. This is advantage actually. When I'm talking about the DF dot head method, always accessing what exactly, sir? Top 5 records. But if you are specifying df dot 5 column 10 means it is trying to accessing 5th index to what exactly? 10th index. 10 means 9th index. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Let me show you. Let me show you a small syntax. Slowly by slowly, these are all comparisons you need to understand. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Look at my screen. Everyone, please. Come on. Yes, we are getting dot head method. Okay. What is output? Top 5 rows. Same syntax. Let us apply social distance. Very good. Print of what exactly? DF of 0 to 5. 0 to what exactly? See, same output also we are getting. First one we are getting because of head method. Second one we are getting because of slicing. Good. Are boss, I don't want to starting from 0 actually. Can I access from 5th record with head method? Not possible, sir. Head method, it never listen actually. Even if you don't want also, take it, sir. You can enjoy something like that actually. But now just try to come here, print of df of which, from where you wanted to start? 5. It's okay, 5 till how many? 100. Very good, sir. 100 actually. Let us just try to access. Maybe big data frame will come. Is it okay? Fine. Let us just try to see. Nice. Sir, such a big day. Okay, here we are getting 95 records actually. Let us print somewhat to 20 or 25. Who can, the data frame is more visible actually. Wow, seriously interesting. See, first output we got it because of head method. So talk with me. Because of head method. Second output we got it because of slicing. Third output you got because of slicing. What is the third output, sir? Third output is a slice. Am I right or not? Good, very good. This is head method. This is slicing. This what exactly? Slicing. This one also what exactly? Slicing. So like this you can access any value actually. Like this you can access what exactly? Any value. Now what is the third one here? By using ILOC also we can access. By using what exactly? Man, there are many ways. There are what exactly? But follow one way. That is fine actually. If you understand one syntax, that is more than enough. Slowly by slowly you can understand other syntax actually. Now here I'm going to fill this gap by writing a code. What is the topic name actually by using? Are you ready? Good. Let's ready actually. Come on. Yeah. Now just try to see. df dot ILOC of 0 to 5 you can provide. Same above syntax, copy paste actually. Now just try to come here actually. Print of df dot ILOC of, and here what you need to provide, 0 column 5. 0 what exactly? Column 5. No comma. What is that one? Sir, if there is no comma, it means to say that all columns. If there is no comma, it means to say that what exactly? All columns actually. Now just try to come here. I would like to say this is ILOC indexer. This is what exactly? ILOC indexer. Keep in mind that. All right, look at my screen. Perfectly we got an output, man. Perfectly we got an output actually. You have to talk with me. First one is a, tell me, sir. Second one is a, next one is indexer. Next one is what exactly? Indexer. That point you need to understand. Mean to say that same output we can use in a different way. But in real time, the most commonly used syntax, if you wanted to print the top 5, head only. I will tell you when we can go for ILOs. I will tell you. In a machine learning, there are specific scenario, really performance matter actually. During that time, we can jump into the ILOs actually. Are you getting your one? Fine. Can I tell you one good news actually? I'm stopping the session now actually. Are you guys clear? Yeah, maybe in another, we do have another session here. The room is allocated. Just now I got a message. Okay. So fine. Just before 5 minutes or 10 minutes, I'm going to stop the session, and we'll continue tomorrow. We'll continue what is the page number? 19. You have to remember page number. We are in 19. Tomorrow I need to continue from demo 17 actually. Now tomorrow we are going to close ILOC. If I close ILOC example, I need to jump into where actually? Theory. Am I right? Am I right or not, sir? Theory we skipped, right? We parked in Amirpet. Am I right or not, sir? I have to pay money and I have to get that parking actually. Get ready. Yeah, online team we done for today's session. Did you understand, sir? Thank you for understanding yesterday. I was not well. My throat is still I'm suffering, but it is okay. I will tell you. Hold on. Specific rows and columns. Who can get it? Jalaja ma'am. Almost, sir. We can get it actually. I'm sorry. Can I tell my password, sir? Subama123.com. Subama, Mangama. These are all my neighbor names actually. We done. We done, sir. In another 2 minutes. Management. Maybe new batch is going to start today. 5:30. Yeah, can we do one thing? Can we have a small exam on Python so that you can do all reason actually? All right. I will give 2 to 3 questions. You have to attempt one question actually. All right. You have to bring a paper. I never highlight what you had written. If you want, you can write cinema story also. That is fine for me. Write Salar movie, sir. I didn't watch actually. Right. Coming to the point, if I'm conducting kind of small exam, it might be helpful for you to revise the topic. That is my intention. There is no force. If you want, you can attempt. Otherwise, you can come here with your laptop and you can practice actually. Are you guys clear? Maybe can we plan on Saturday? We'll see accordingly. We'll see. It won't take much time. Offline, I would like to conduct a small kind of exam for whole Python. If you want, I will give only specific topics also. Let me upload the material quickly. First of all, go back. Data analysis. What is the topic name? Sir, I hope I already uploaded, I guess. Am I right? Oh, I uploaded, sir. Here I need to upload running notes. That's it. I need to update. Oh, yeah, yeah. Very good. Thank you. Let me upload sales to file also. Anything is pending? No, right? Fine. Today, anyone having any questions? Let us have a chat actually. Why? Because we have to give this room immediately. And next one more row, maybe today new batch is starting for another trainer actually. Are you guys clear? Offline student, I'm requesting. We done for today's session. And ILOC, LOC, do practice today itself only. Please, I'm requesting. If you do practice today, tomorrow you can understand very clearly, sir. I'm sure. Okay. We done for today's session. Thank you. Thank you for attending. Thank you, sir. Online team. Thank you, sir.